Watch out. Can't see.
Where is it? Where's the ball go?
I don't know. You put it in there.
Yeah, I can't get it.
Is it gonna, like, rattle every time we watch a movie now?
Probably.
Oh, it sucks.
Me, turn around.
Honey, why?
Can you fit your arm in there?
No, don't. There might be spiders.
No.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big spider on here.
Okay. Put your arm in there. No. Sit down.
Should we unplug it or something?
No. Put your arm in here and try and get the ball. Can you reach it?
Here. Here's the flashlight.
No. Don't get the flashlight.
I use it. I use this. Get out. I'll get out. I use this and I'll get out. I use this one.
He could do it if he could understand, but he can't understand. So.
I want you to understand, honey.
Watch out, Daddy. Watch out. I ain't getting the ball. Get out.
I'm thinking.
It's spider. Yeah. My hand too big.
Your hand's too big.
This hand's not too big.
What about my hand?
I think yours is too big too, but you can try.
Well, I'm kind of scared of the spiders.
There's nothing in there.
Oh, try.